Steve, I wish I had a shop sticker I could exchange with you, but I don't, sorry. I will gladly, proudly display a Woodworking for Mere Mortals sticker in my workshop. However, please accept this gift, which is a carved feather, or what is supposed to look like a carved feather. It is carved out of roasted poplar, which smells great. Smells like a campfire. I did not put a finish on this so that you can experience the nice roasted smell of this roasted poplar as well. Then afterwards, if you want, you could put on some spray lacquer paint. Anyway, so I just want to say thank you for all the great work. I've been subscribed since I think 2011, and I really appreciate these daily updates here recently as well too. It really helps to get through this crazy, weird time we're in right now. I know we all appreciate it. So thank you very much for that, and keep up the great work.